This video is for people with noisy garage doors and those people only. If your garage door never squeaks, keep scrolling. Okay, this is what you need to know. Noisy garage doors are caused by three things. Even if you only change one of those things, your garage door is gonna run a lot quieter. First up are your rollers. If you have either plastic or metal, neither one is gonna run smoothly along the track, even from the first day of installation. Switch over to a nylon roller, the material is smoother and it's going to roll more quietly through your track. The next suspect for noise is this guy. The quietest openers are belt drive like this or jack shaft openers. The lack of an exposed metal chain means that there's less disturbance as they operate. And finally, take a look at the inside of your garage door. If it's a single layer or pan door like this, well, it's always gonna rattle. A door with insulation inside and a solid back, well, it's more durable, sturdy, and it's going to run more smoothly.